So we're going to practice using a protractor to determine which scale to use and then measure an angle. So here's this angle and it's outlined in like a dark purpley color. I'm a little colorblind, so it could be blue. I don't really know. I think it's dark purple. So if you trace it, you can kind of see here, and I put the protractor over it. You see the little circly part? That part of the protractor goes where the vertex is. And we have a vertex here. That's where the two endpoints meet of these rays. And here's our angle. So if we look at it, we see that this line, this ray, goes through 0 on this side. It appears to go right through the middle of the protractor on this side. So first we need to determine which scale we're going to use. So we're going to use the inner scale, the outer scale. As I'm looking at this, I can see it's open on the left. So this tells me we're going to be using the outer scale. It's closed off on the right. If I were trying to get in this way, I wouldn't be able to because there's a ray in the way. It rhymes, a ray in the way. So I know I'm going to do the outer scale. So here are all the numbers on the outer scale. Now I want to look for where this ray crosses through. So if this ray is at 0 degrees, I'm not going to say that this angle measures 0 degrees. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to follow this ray up. And it looks like it crosses right through 90 degrees. Now, I'm also noticing on this protractor that even though there's two different sets of numbers for the inner and outer scale, and they typically, it goes from 0 to 180 on the outer scale and then 180 to 0, the same direction on the inner scale, 90 seems to be where both outer and inner scale merge. So this angle measures 90 degrees, and it's actually called a right angle. We'll talk more about how to classify angles in a different lesson. But so the measurement of this angle would be 90 degrees, and I would write it like this. 90 degrees, and it was open on the left side, so I used the outer scale to help measure it. So I want you to do a couple of these practice problems and watch the videos that go along with them, and then you'll do your classwork.